Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to pull down the toggles. Here, look for the screen recording toggle, which if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. For me, it is located right over here. Once you see the toggle, simply tap on it. First time around, it will bring up a window asking for permission to record audio. We're going to select while using the app, and then gives us the option to choose which way we want to display the indication that it's recording. The first one, the floating window, is not going to be visible on the screen recording, even though you will see it on the screen yourself while recording, while the status bar will be visible as an icon will be there. So I'm going to stick with the floating window, click on OK. You can close this, and it gives you a couple options. Record, sound options, so we have record system sound or microphone or both. If you're going to be using both, use headphones. And then close. So anyway, I'm going to now start recording. And you can see once I press the button, it does begin a countdown, and whatever I'll do right now will be recorded. I'm gonna look for, oh, there we go, there is my favorite application to crap on. Okay, so I get to now showcase this abominable garbage. So you can see I'm not logged in. I'm basically doing this as a showcase of a feature that is part of Android that you cannot turn off, no matter if you want to or don't. It is a security feature for the user, so if you have some kind of malware, that malware wouldn't be able to see into the sensitive applications. Netflix there is not a sensitive application, let's be honest. So you can see there's a bunch of crap visible right here that I'm just scrolling up and down through. I haven't agreed to any terms of service or use because I am not signed in, nor did I actually install this application myself. It comes with this device. So anyway, I'm also going to open up some other application like Chrome, for instance. Just flip through it. So there's something else to showcase. Let's close it. And now once you are done recording, you can interact with this overlay right here and then click on the check mark. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. So let's find that app. Oh, there we go, Photos, right over here. Do not back up. And the easiest way to locate your screen recordings will be to go into the albums, and in here either you can find it in videos or in screenshots. Now screenshots will be shared also with screenshots as the name would imply, but this probably will be the easiest way for you to locate the screen recordings. Anyway, from here you can click on it and it will begin playing it back. So, going back to what you're about to see with the Netflix app, it's, like I mentioned, a feature for privacy and security. It prevents basically applications from being able to see into the sensitive apps. Like I mentioned, Netflix ain't sensitive, but if, for instance, you would imagine using something like your bank application that shows your how much money you have and maybe your pins when you're typing them and all that stuff, you can imagine that if you have a virus on your phone that could see that, that would be a massive just vulnerability to you. So in this case, such a virus would be able just to see a black screen. Netflix, on the other hand side, doesn't really have anything like that. So the only thing that is being protected right here is corporate read through your device that you paid for. So yeah. And like I mentioned, I haven't given Netflix any kind of permission, so it's doing it all on its holly jolly, own, without ever asking for anything. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.